Good evening, everyone. Myself Priya is back again with the Hindu editorial analysis on 24th September 2020. So, in this Hindu editorial session, we are going to discuss two articles which are present in this. The first article is A Light Touch, and the second one is Unlocking Campuses. Okay, right? So, we are going to discuss both articles in a very brief manner. And firstly, we are going to discuss the first article of today's editorial, that is A Light Touch. So we'll go quicker and faster into the editorial session. We are going to cover the vocabulary part which is present in this article. A light touch. Problematic content abounds. Problematic content abounds in the digital space. What does mean by abound? There is some problem which is abounding the digital space. What is the meaning of abounds? Exist in large number, be abundant, proliferate. Theories abound about how the universe began. Okay, but regulations must be sagacious. Sagacious is nothing but wise, clever, intelligent, judicious. Harshvardhan was a sagacious leader. Means he is a clever leader, he is an intelligent leader, he is wise. Everything will come under the word sagacious. The government has, in recent days, twice signaled. The government, just signaling means it's not about just like ringing the bell. It's about saying, warning, not strict warning. It is indicating, signaling that more rules to tackle the problems of unlawful content and harm causing disinformation in the digital media space or in the offing. So what the government is saying is, the government is signaling that the digital media space is nothing but in the media, social media and all those. What some unlawful information is going on which is discontent. So it is signaling that we should not do those and we must improve the law and the rules to get rid of this. So it is an offing means far from us, it is distant. You can say more distant part of a scene view likely to happen soon. With an election and the offing, the ministers are keen to maintain the popularity. Of course they do. On Monday, in an affidavit filed in the case involving Sudarshan TV, responding to the Supreme Court's call for suggestion to improve the self-regulatory mechanism for electronic media. So there will be several interviews will be going on for in each and every media. So just they have like on Monday, like Sudarshan TV, there went an interview with the Sudarshan TV, and they are saying that you must improve the self-regulatory mechanisms for electronic media. The center said the regulation of web-based digital media is the need of the hour. Instead, without any checks, it told the court, digital media can spread venomous hatred. Hatred, okay. Venomous means venom. So you can say it's something like bad, poisonous, toxic, noxious, vicious, spiteful. Mr. Brown has launched a venomous attack on the newspaper, okay. Terror and violence. On the same day, the Minister of State for Electronics and IT, Sanjay Dhotar, said in a written reply to the Lok Sabha that his ministry is working to amend the Information Technology Rules 2011 to make intermediaries more responsive and accountable. It is difficult to disagree with the view that the internet is a space where finding truthful facts is often challenging, and that polarizing opinions, hate speech, and disinformation abound. Many lives have been lost to such disinformation fueled violence in India in recent years. But it is also difficult to agree with the view that more rules are an answer to an age-old problem. Only now, amplified by technology-based platforms. Only enough amplified by technology-based problems. What is meant by amplified? So now everyone is dependent on the technology. It is dependent upon the digital media. So like amplified means increase the volume, louden, expand, enlarge. on develop. This study amplifies earlier research. Okay, that more regulations will solve this in a fanciful idea, right? For one, the laws to tackle incendiary content and hate speech that fuel violence are already in place. For one of the laws to tackle, so incendiary content means combustible. Incendiary is nothing but combustible, inflammable, provocative, and agitational. He gave an incendiary speech at last night's rally, right? What is seen lacking is a will to uniformly apply these rules, irrespective of political affiliations. Affiliations means you can say nexus, connecting, joining, or you can say attaching also. The group has affiliations with several organizations abroad, right? So we'll move on to the next sentence. The flip side is the flip side is that the net is a place where there is a free sharing of information and ideas. So the question worth asking is if it is possible to ever regulate the internet without throttling it. Throttling is nothing but choke, struggle, without making it struggle. Prevent from succeeding, getting them back. Preventing from succeeding. The reduction in funds is throttling the development of new program. So the question worth asking is if it is possible to ever regulate the internet without throttling it like China has done. The fear that bringing more rules is a euphemism for censorship cannot be brushed away. These questions are all the more important because there has been a wave of investment in the digital news media and space in recent areas. Digital media space in recent areas. In recent years, a large number of these media sites and magazines pursue legitimate legitimate journalism initiatives which not only have the proper mechanisms to deliver quality but also separate with a high degree of accountability. Attempts at making new rules for intermediaries such as Google and Facebook need to be well thought out and measured. Earlier attempts at imposing a high degree of liability on them for content posted on their platforms have not survived legal scrutiny, means observation. With Section 79 of the IT Act 2000 giving them some immunity in this regard. An intervention that is light and well or considered is what will work. Right. We completed our first article, a light touch and a light touch. I hope every one of you have understood this one, and I thank every one of you for watching this video. Thank you very much.